So let me pause for a minute and tell you about a moisture meter I picked up off of Amazon from sam-protools. Let me show you what's in the box here. So inside the box, of course, you get your regular instruction manual, and then also you get a nice cloth case that the moisture meter sits inside. The case has a belt loop on the back, and the flap is held down with Velcro. Let me open this up here and show you what the moisture meter looks like. As you can see, it's a huge LCD screen and nice, easy to read. It has the instructions on the back on what the material guide is, all the settings for the moisture meter. So this moisture meter can read wood, concrete, drywall, carpet. The lid was a little bit hard to come off until I realized, oh yeah, I got to read the top of this thing, and actually pushed back to remove cap. Sure enough, as soon as I pushed on the back, and you can remove the cap. You can tell the probes have some plastic tubings on top just to protect the probes and protect you from hurting yourself there. Let me show you what else is in the box that comes with this moisture meter. So you get a 9-volt battery. That's awesome. I love having a standard size battery. And you also get some extra probes there, so when the other ones wear out or get messed up, whatnot, you have some extra probes, so you're not just stuck with having to buy a new tool. Let me stick the battery in this and show you what you get. So again, this is a dual moisture meter. It can actually read temperature and it can read moisture content in many different types of material. And let me show you what this thing looks like here when we turn it on. There's your huge LCD screen. To turn it off, it has an auto shut off, or you can hold down the power button and it'll turn off by itself. I didn't test out the backlit because this is during the day, but it has a backlit button. You can toggle through the modes of it. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Just some great features on this sam-protools moisture meter. One thing I had trouble with is understanding, well, am I really switching the mode, until I realized in the bottom right of that screen it's actually switching from M1 through M4. And again, those are printed right there on the back of the actual moisture meter itself. And it goes, from hardwood, softwood, and it just toggles through there. So it's a really slick moisture meter. Let me show you what it looks like whenever I take a couple of measurements. So I'm going to compare this to the old moisture meter I used to use. The old moisture meter worked okay. What I didn't like about it was, one, the probes are really close together, and it uses little bitty button style batteries. Those are real expensive to replace, and the LCD screen is just tiny compared to the sam-pro moisture meter. So let me see if I can get a good reading here, a good view of this right here, and show you. Hang on one second. Let me lift this up and make it a little bit easier for me. And just taking a reading throughout this log, this freshly cut log, and it looks like we're doing around 10 or so, a little bit higher in the center. And let me test this out with the sam-pro. Again, I like the fact that the sam-pro has a wider probe to get a better range across that log. So it looks like we're doing around 10 again, and taking another sample in the middle. Looks like I'm actually a little bit higher, around 12 and a half. So anyway, this is the moisture meter by sam-protools, and just show you a quick review of it. And man, I really like this. So if you're looking for a moisture meter, check this one out. See what you think.